The wolf was in Granny's bed.
Gee, what big eyes you have, said Red Riding Hood.
The better to see you with, said the wolf.
Kids, I want you to run an errand for me.
Do we have to?
Take these goodies to Grandma's house.
Oh, boy!
Granny always gives us cookies.
Bye, Uncle Woody.
Off we go to Granny's house to take a cake to Granny's house. La, 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 la.
Hiya, kids. What you got in the basket?
Oh, it's full of goodies for our grandma.
Thank you.
You know, this is something like the story in our book.
You're right. It's just like the book.
Then that means Granny's in trouble. Uh-oh.
Which one is Granny's house?
Granny? Granny?
The next house is Granny's.
Granny?
Come in.
Good, we're not too late.
Read us a story, Grandma. All righty. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Red Riding Hood. One day, her mother called her and said, "Now we can get ready for the wolf."
Wow, which one is Granny's house? Granny? Granny?
Granny must be having a party.
I hope they are careful with their cigarettes.
Here he comes.
Isn't this a fine story, children? Granny!
Come in.
Hi, Granny. Have you been ill?
Oh, just that pesky malnutrition again.
Had it long?
Oh, a long time.
Say ouch.
No!
What big eyes you have, Granny. And what a big nose you have.
And what big teeth you have, Grandma.
First floor, Granny's Woodpeckers.
Woodpeckers?
Menu?
Are the tamales good?
Oh, yes, sir. All the truck drivers eat here.
Ah, so they do.
We sure got rid of that old wolf.
Carelessness with matches results in loss to everyone.
Range 4000.
Get ready to fire.
Roger. pesky jets. What a big nose you have. And what big teeth you have. A wolf! This picture doesn't end anything like the book.